local and international events, and has starred in memorable teleseries that have made him one of the most sought-after actors in this generation. The Prince of Philippine Movies and Television, Sian Lim.
Presenting the award from the Guillermo Foundation is Ms. Bea Ilaga.
Thank you, maraming salamat po, Guillermo Mendoza Foundation. Gusto ko po simulan ang aking pasasalamat sa mga fans. Thank you guys sa walang sawang pagsuporta. Nagpapasalamat din ako syempre kay sa aming mga direktor, syempre si Direk Joy, si Direk May, syempre from Bakit Di Ka Crush ng Crush Mo to Past Tense at syempre yung Bride for Rent. Star Cinema, maraming salamat po for always giving me and Kim one of the best materials. So maraming salamat guys, thank you po.
She has always been the princess of everyone. She has been a darling to all her peers, elders, co-workers, and to her friends. From being a princess in PBB, she has gone a long way and have made her way into the hearts of every Filipino viewer. The Princess of Philippine Movies and Television, Kim Chu.
Presenting the award from the Guillermo Foundation is Ms. Kathy Santiago.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una gusto ko po magpasalamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Foundation sa recognition na ito. Maraming salamat. Isa na naman po itong inspirasyon sa pang-araw-araw ko pong ginagawa. And of course, sa aking home network, ABS-CBN, maraming salamat. To Ma'am Charo, Tita Malu, thank you so much to my Star Cinema family, Dreamscape family, kala Sir Deo, thank you so much. And sa akin pong mga direktor, sa Bride for Rent, director po namin si Direk May Cruz Alviar, thank you Direk, and sa Pastan siya din po ang director namin, and si Direk Joyce Bernal, maraming salamat. And of course, sa lahat ng taong walang sawang nagmahal at sumuporta sa amin ni Sian. Maraming salamat. Share po tayo dito sa award namin na ito. Kung wala po kayo, wala po kami dito, and wala pong katuturan yung project namin kung hindi po dahil sa suporta ninyo. And of course, to Sian, thank you so much. And yun, basta maraming salamat. And maganda po ang tulog po ngayong gabi. Thank you so much, and I love you all. Guillermo, maraming salamat. Thank you.
Hold on.